Ilang picture kanina sabi na.
Bakit kanina wala? Ano ito yung championship niya?
Miguel! Miguel! Wait, sinangkat, sinasakay Aaron! Aaron! Tumira ng tres! Tumira ng tres! Wala! Ibang pal! Nicky! Sinasakay Wait! Wait! Passion! Brian, ang nagdala ng bola. Brian! Brian, sinasakay! Sinasakay! Roland! 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 Sumakat! Wait, ang nagdala ng bola. Wells pa rin. Wells. 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 Pinasakay Nicky. 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 Sumalaksak. Pinasakay Ronnie J. Ronnie J. Nakaw ni Brian. Brian. Pasok. Nakaw. Nakaw ni Wells. 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 Tumira ng tres. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Wala lang. Asin. Roland. Roland na ang bola. Roland. Pinasakay Brian. Pinasakay. Nicky. Ay Nico. Last 10 minutes na lang second.
Warning blue ha.
Oh, warning blue. Oh. You're under the line, please. Paigit po, paigit, paigit.
Wala yung coach nila dyan!
Wells, sa mga bola, Wells. Wells, pinasakay, Jordan. Wells, 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 pinasakay Nicky. Nicky, 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 sumalaksak, sumalaksak. Pinasakay Ronnie J. Ronnie J. May nangitlog sa loob. May nangitlog. Last 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Nico, Nico may bola. Nico, Nico, sumalaksak. Pinasakay Roland. Roland, Nico, Aren, binababa ang bola. Aren pa rin ang bola. Aren, Aren, sumalaksak, sumalaksak, sumalaksak. Pinasakay, Jordan, wala. Ronnie J. Ronnie J. Ronnie J. At napitawa, pinasakay Wells. Wells, pinasakay, Jordan, 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 sumalaksak. Wala pa rin, bitaw pa rin. Nico. 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 Aren, Aren, sumalaksak. Wells, tambay. Aren, pinasakay. Nicky. Bola po lang, tagumpay. Bola na tagumpay. Score, score. Jordan. Jordan, sumalaksak. 4-2. Empate 4. Last. Nico, mahal ang bola Nico. Pinasakay. Miguel. Miguel. Wala. Tumabay. Brian. Wells. Miguel. Miguel. Brian. Brian. Aren, dumiretso! Pasok na, pasok! 6-4! Last 5 minutes! Okay, tulungan na natin! Tulungan na natin sa halahan! Jordan! Jordan! Up! Baway! Foul Brian! Pakitaas ang kamay! Muy bien. Nicky, nasa kay Wells. Wells sa mga bola. Wells pa rin. Wells, sumalaksak. Nag-jump shot. Pasok na pasok. Wells for 2. 8-4, lamang po ang tagumpay. Miguel ang malang bola, Miguel. Miguel, nakakawa ka, Miguel. Wells, sumalagsak, ng side step. Ang ganda ng bolang batang ito. Last 5 minutes. Nico, Nico, pinasa ka, Wells pa rin, Wells, stop. Foul, Ronald, stop, ref. Stop. Number 9 out. Ano pa? Nico out. Malang ang score dyan, guess na yan, guess. Yes, ang 4.
Jace, Jace.
Stop pa.
Basta pag naka-release na ang bola.
Warning na naman.
Ay, Mark,
Okay. Harim na lang ang bola. Harim, sumalaksak. Pinasakay. Rooney. Wala, rimambay, Harim. Pinasakay. Jordan. Agaw ni Ronald. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Yes, ang 4. Nakapunan sa Esporto Kahuntay. Harim. Dala ka ng bola. Harim. Pinasa kay Rooney J. Napitawan. Symbol. Niche. Nasa kay Rooney J. 2. Iya. Nasa kay bola. Stop.
Eh, palitan ko.
Stop. Hit out. Harim out.
Push.
Last 3 minutes and 18 seconds. 12 acabó a 4. Sherwin. Pinasa ko rin ni Jay. Jeff.
Ano yan? Bakit kasali na naman niya? Parang may, gigip na yung, sayang yung empanada, ginahin mo. Siya naman.
Jeff.
Hindi na siya nakatakbo.
Wala. Jeff.
Nagalan yung empana ay
Okay, Wells naman ang bola, Wells. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Wells. Pinasa kay Sherwin. Pinasa kay Rooney J. Wala pa rin, rimambay. Yes, foul. Pagitaas ang kamay. Yung foul, pagitaas. Foul, Jeff. Number 15. Jordan. Wala pa rin. Rombay. Ronald. Kuha ni Alan. Jordan pa rin. Pinasa ka rin. Wills, tumira ng 3. Tumira pa, wala lumabas. Rimambay. Juwe. Well, sumalaksak, walang foul. Naipit, pinasakay. Junior. Sirwin, sabi ko ititira ko. Nakakaw din. Alan. Okay. Relax. Last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Ronnie J. Pinasa kay Jordan. Jordan mayroong bola. Jordan. Fabian nagturo sa loob. Jordan. Benson. Jenison, pinasa kay Jordan, wala, ribabay, Jenison, Ronnie J, wala pa rin, Ronald, foul by Jordan. 48 segundo, lamang po ang ito ang nagumpay.
Grade 3 pa lang, hindi pa graduate.
Alan, nagjaga, wala. As 30 segundos. Wells sa mayroong ng bola. Wells pa rin. Wells pinahin ang ikot. Nag-jump shot. Wala rebound fight. Jenison. Wala nakaw. Jordan. Good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Pasok na ba ako?
Wells sa mayroong ng bola. Wells pa rin. Wells. Pinasakay Nicky. Pinasakay Jenison. Nagaw. Up. Tinabot. Gipi. Pinasakay Pariteo. Naggulagol yun. Awan na ta. Naribaw ni Nicky. Up. Hanes.
Nagkasala pa dahil sa basketball, no?
Okay. Ronald sumalaksak. Foul by GP. Pinasakay Miguel, Ronald, sumalaksak, pinasakay, nabitawan, nakaw ng GP, pinasakay Wells, lumipad, 14. Last 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Lumipad. Ups. Alan, pinasa ka Miguel, tumira ng 3, wala pa rin, rebound by GP.
Sagli tayo na lang.
Panteo. GP. Ops ng itlog sa loob. Katorse a 5. Neil, pinasa kay Ronald, nag-jump shot, wala pa rin. Jenison. Kinis. Wills. Wills ang mayroong bola. Wills. Agaw ni Ronald. Ronald. Foul, Wills.
Wala.
Nen. Tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. Lumabay Nicky. Nicky, pinasa ka Wills. Wills. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Lumabay. Up. No, blow. Anes, sino yung pero anis din kayo, anis. Kasi maganda, no, nakikita ng mga kasi
Red ball.
save! I'm out, blow. Anis kayo. Dapat yun, kahit tumito yung aminin nyo na. Dahil stas talaga siya. Anis kayo, balik. Kasi nakikita rin sa labas kasi. Second daw, blue ball. Blue ball. Mali lang daw yung nasabi niya. Akala niya, blue daw yun. Oh. Okay, 5-14. Miguel, pinasa kaya Alan. Pinasa sa loob. Up. Foul. Pagkitas ang kamay. Technical daw ang blow. Mariri kayo, mariri.
Es que yo pensaba, es que literalmente en julio nos dijo
Miguel out. Alan out. RM sinalaksak, sumalaksak na agaw. RM pa rin. RM, pinasa kay Ronnie J. Nicky, pinasa kay Paritio. Wala. Limambay, John pa rin. Yabang bola. Last 6 minutes. John, pinasa kay Presidente, tumira ng tres. Wala. Limambay, Nicky, pinasa kay RM 4-2. 16-5. Presidente, na-practice mo na raw yun. John, ako na rin. RM 4-2. Ronald, mahal bola Ronald pa rin. Ronald, sumalaksak, pinasa kay John.
Jump, situation. Ay, sorry pa yun. Wala.
Kaya pa yan, 3 sekundos lang. Last 5 minutes. Nicky, pinasa kay Kio. Wala, Rimambay, Jeff, pinasa kay Ronald, manong wala, Ronald, pinasa kay Mel, pinasa kay John pa rin manong wala, John, pinasa kay Jeff, wala, mababa raw, Ops, nagaw. Ronald, pinasakay Jet. Jet, Porto. Porfin, nakapasok. Ronald, nagaw ni Ronald, sumalangkang. Nagiwalay, nakita ta ka, Coach Lane, nakita ta imam. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. RM may orang bola, RM, biasa kay Jordan. Wala pa rin, dito ang 5, 10, 14. Jordan may unang bola. Yan ka, pinasa kay Ronnie J. Tumira ng 3, wala. Bola ng pagpapala. 12 Sages. Yun. Pinasa kay Len. Pinasa kay Jok. Are! Yan, tumira ng 3! Jordan manang bola, Jordan, nag-jump shot, terus kay Ronnie J, wala pa rin, rebound by Panto, wala pa rin, rebound by James, nagkukulahon na yung talaga.
relax.
Arin sumalaksak, pinasakay Jordan, pinasakay Ronnie J, main ng itlog sa loob, stop, Sobre, main ng itlog sa loob, number 11 out, number 28 out, 11, 28, Presidente out, Sistema Hanes, Roland, hop. Blue ball. Tayo nagpupagpon na mga kapatid. Nagituron. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pinasa kay Ronnie J. Pinasa kay Jordan, nag-jump shot, 4-2.
Bakit ka na ba?
Last 55 seconds. John, pinasa kay Roland. Tumira ng 3. 40 segundos. Pinasakay. Wala.
First ball.
Blue ball, blue ball. Dito, Hanes ka, Hanes.
Manis ka doon ah.
15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5. Okay, ang score, 4-16. Lamang po ang tagumpay. Blue ball, blue ball. Blue. Blue, white, blue. Blue ball, green ball. Puesto. Blue ball. Patay! 3 points! Roll on, 3 points. 3 points is from Tibay. Pastillas, Sherwin, Lagos, ito ang Jun. Jun, nakita si Estrada. 2 points. Nakakapal, pakatala. Nice shot again. Woo! Nice game. Pasunik. Nakakuha ng foul. Jennison nakakuha ng foul. Ano? Penalty, Jacob City, penalty. First attempt. No good. Official score 24-20 in favor of white team. Only 4 point lead. Second attempt. No good. Tumalatyo. Pinasa kay Estrada. Wow! Muntik na. Rebound by Jennison. Pass to Bernini. Nicky. Pass to Wills. Jennison. Muntik pamagaw. Another goal out. Nakita si bro Nico pressing the ball. Magkano ang pasahan? June sa Prince. June tumira. No good. Medyo may problema pa yung kanyang binti. Pero Wills. Oh, nice block. Substitution. Number 27 out, number 18. Takin, no? Pakitakin po yung mga uniform natin, no? Hanes. Wills in his first attempt. No good. Medyo nagkakabilo yung ating mga yung ating mga medyo may konting conflict. Second attempt from Wills. Ready to go up. Foul given by number 22, Nico. 8 minutes remaining time on it. Wills in his first attempt on the free throw line. Wills, no good. Mukhang may banado talaga yung ring dyan. Another attempt. No good. Jennison. Rebound. Jennison. White ball. Jennison. No good. Sherwin nasipa ang bola. Sherwin nasipa ang bola. Substitution, referee. Substitution, number 12 out, number 15 in. Bronix on the outbound. Napasa Bronico. 3-point line. Nico. Wala. Naman pa Sherwin. Wills. Tibato. Substitution. Number 25. 54 in. Warning. Blue team 1-4. Oh, substitution. Bronix out. Fourth. Second attempt. Okay. What up? Good. Number 15. Up. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 54. Rema. 8-point leads. In favor of white team. 28-20. White team for penalty. Blue team. Number 15 at free throw line.
No, green team.
Oh, good.
Red team.
First attempt. Yes, sir.
Green or red team?
Number 15 on a second attempt. No good. Rebound by blue team. Blue team natin din. Wala. Nakuha ni Paul Jennison. Nakapalpal. Nakuha ni Bronico. Nigi pass number 20. Raymond nakakita. Up. May tawag na referee. Foul by number 28. Penalty. Penalty na. Ang blue team, penalty na. First attempt. Raymond. Substitution, referee. Substitution. Number 9 out. Number 10 in. Sige na din. Oh, too soon. Another chance for Raymond, number 54. On the free throw line. Still no good. Rebound by number 15. June. Binabawang bola ni June. Ronald, nakita libre. Pumasok. Galing sa labas. Galing sa labas. Outbound. 4. Raymond, pumasok. Raymond. Ronald. Yes, sir. 2 points on number 10. Number 20, Laguta. Binaba ang bola. Laguta na gano'ng papasahan. Ito si Wills. Pumasok. Wills. Ay. Nicky, para yung labas ng bola. Wow! 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Remaining time on the second. Soon. Nakakuha pa.
5 minutes and 17 seconds in the third quarter. Oh, steal. Oh, nice steal by Ronald, pumasok. Nakita si Ednel. Nakita si Alan. Nakita, libre siya rin. No good. What? Nicky, pinapapamula. Nicky, pinapapamula. Laguda. Defense. Oh, Wills, Lagud. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, oh, hinaharang. Oh, no good. Blocking foul, number 20. Laguda. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Remaining time in the third quarter. Not yet, penalty high. Side ball. Ednel, kapit na press. Ednel, wala po. Laguda, pas Jun. Nice. Ipasa ko, Jun, pinabang bola. Jun, dumiretso. Jun. Wala pa ng blue ball. Jun again. Laguda, dumiretso. Nakakuha ng foul. Wala, Laguda talaga, oh. Agop si Din. Foul on number 10. Ano? First attempt. Oy, wala. Number 20, Yoris, second attempt. Number 3. Oy! Ronald, pinababa ang bola. Sumesenya. Buwabi lang daw. Ronald, naghahanap ng papasahan. Ronald, dumiretso. Wala, nakuha ko. 15, Jeffrey. Foul counted. Number 20.
Not counted, no? Counted?
Third personal foul on Laguda. 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. Number 15 for his 3-point attempt. Wala! Nakuha pa rin ng blue ball. Ednel, 2 points. Ednel, wala pa rin. Wala pa talaga. Baba. Oh, Wills. Nakakita siya. Oh, Jenny. Wala pa rin. Jun, nakuha ang bola. Jun. Sinasalo ba? Ednel, 2-3. Yes, sir. Number 15, Raymond, pinabang bola, Raymond, Jun, nakakita pa sa ticket. Ay, nabitawan ang bola. Number 13. Pressing the ball. Nicky passing the ball, pass to Wills, in the B, Wills, kapes, nakatapal Jenison, dapat kasipal ball, Jenison rebound, Jenison, up, nakakuha ng foul, time out, white team, 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining on the third quarter, official score 32-29 in favor of white team, only 3-point lead sa white team. Timeout is brought to you by...
Kailangan pa
So, pag nakakuha ng foul ang blue team, penalty na. Jennison on his first attempt on the free throw line. Jennison, yes sir. 1 point. Penalty na. Second attempt, no good. Out. Pass to Miguel, Miguel. Is remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time on the third quarter. Wills passing the ball. Laguda, libre, tumira, wala. Nakuha ng number, Jason, number 5, up. Laguda again, no good. Up, nakuha ni Miguel, nilabas ang bola. Pasang third game, up, Ronald, binababa ang bola. Pinasa sa captain ball. Bro, bye. Up, Laguda, naisa ni Miguel, 3 points, wala. Ano? Ano? White ball. White ball. May foul. Ano tawag? Foul. Ano official call? Ano, white ball or blue ball? Blue ball. Penalty na ang white, ang blue team na. Wala foul. Outball na. Side ball. Official score, 33-31. Jeffrey, pumusok. Nakakuha ng foul, penalty na. Sino foul ulit? Number 5, Jennison. $58 seconds remaining time on the third quarter.
Bro, ulo. Pagpati ko, ulo. Ulo, nasa likod ka.
Ano, ref? Warning ang white team.
Warning technical, nasa likod ka kasi bro. Pag sumabay ka, ulo. Bale.
Balik. Technical. Binigyan ng warning. Technical po si number 5. Pinuntan muna. Number 5 out, number 54 in. Technical people. Ano tayo? Respect ng referee. 10-22 na. Kailangan natin bilisan, mga kapatid. Remaining time, 58 seconds remaining time in the third quarter.
Kuya, dalawa, kuya.
Technical free throw, no good.
Dalawa. Yan kailangan yung lamang.
Another free throw, technical free throw.
Kami, kailangan makalay.
Official score, 33-31. 2-point lead by white team. Wala pa, sayang. Ano? Anong decision natin? Last shot for the free throw. Rebound by number 12. 55 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. 55 seconds, 2 points lead by white team. Wills nag-iisip. Pinasa kay Raymar. Nakita si Peteo. Lumampas ang pasa. 2 points lead na, 2 points lead by white team. 30 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. Ronald, tingnan ng papasahan. Ronald. Gumitna. Napasa ka Miguel. Miguel, naghanap ng pamasahin. Pass to June. June, any 3 point? June. No good. Walk. Number 7, Nicky. Nicky. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 points again. Coming. Tapos na. Alright. Official score. 35-31. 4 points lead na. 4 points lead. In favor of
Fourth quarter.
white ball. Blue ba, blue? Ano ba nanganap? Ano ba rin? White ball. Oh, last na ha? Last na.
Extension yan. 5 minutes.
35-31. In favor of white team. Laguta. Hinahanap si Wills. Wills. Nakita si Trey. Nakita up. Number 10. Wala muna. Diretso. Oy, labas. Balik brata nito. Ito, wala break. Oy, ano ba yan? Ang bola. Wills. Diretso. Wala. Nakita ni June. Pinasa kay Jeffrey. Diretso. Pinasa kay Alan. Oh, 2-2. Only 2 points by watching. 2-2, yes sir. Defense. Neymar Hinaras, up, Subalsal. Neymar, up. Kobe June, nakuha bola, June, pass the ball, nakakita si Jeffrey, dumiretso, 2-2, yes sir. All, double tie. We have a tie. Batay, balong-balungan. Raymond, 3 points. Raymond, no good. Ronald, nalibat ang bola, Ronald, still looking. Ronald, dumiretso sumula sa kakatan. Atawan ng foul. Foul number 8, Alak. Foul number 8. Nice. Ulit atay, balong-balunan. Wills, ano ba daw Wills naman Jordan? Parang ito laguda pa ito. Wills, natin si Petero. Poteno! Nakakuha ng down. Jeffrey. Third personal foul, Jeffrey. Third personal foul. First attempt. On a pre-tola. First attempt, no good. Still on 35. It's attack. Second shot, no good. Rebound Alan, number 8. Binabakbo na. Pataw. Nakuha nila. Ano yun? 2 points. Lamang na ang white team ng 2 points. Lamang na ang white team. Mga kapatid. Blue, Alan sa 3 points. Alan, wala. Nakuha ni Alcata. Bronico. Nagano ang pamasahan. Nakata si Bro June, libre. 3 points. Nakuha ni Bro Jeffrey, kumangga. Oh, foul. Ano, rep, ang tawag. Black foul on Laguta kami foul. Number 20. Fourth personal foul, number 20. Warning on number 20. Oh, Bro Jeffrey. Enjoy lang ang game mga kapatid. Oh, Bob, Ronald. Nakita si Alan tumira. Oh, yes sir! 37 ang ganda ng laro. All 37 seconds. 37. Waymar, pinababa mo. Halas ba ihalang? Halas ba ihalang? Blue ball, second number is looking. Time out, white team. Time out, white team. Ano official time? Official time. Official time mga kapatid. Official time. 7 minutes and 7 seconds. In the third quarter. 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Shout out sa ating butihing pastor. He is watching live from Las Vegas, Nevada. From the right corner. Kapatan. Wala, dinala si Kapatan. Wala. Wala, pumasok na kami si Kapatan. Jun, liban-liban. Atas, wala ni Kapatan. Jeffrey, Jeffrey sa lalim. Wala pa rin. Wala, Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Ano? Nakot. Handa. Pabilin. Time out. Oh, management.
Time out?
7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time.
All 37!
Ano, 7 minutes lang.
I know.
6 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Ang ating score is a tie palong-palunan, 37. Tie on 37. O, minasigaw dito. May sumisigaw. Laguta, naganda pa rin. Laguta, libre-libre, wala shoot. Magaling Jeffrey, pinangay sa wala. Alan, nakita si Leonard, nakalusot si Leonard. Wala, yun lang nakalapas. Laguta ang rebound. Laguta, nakita si Wills, nasa gitna, wala, nakita si Jerison ang rebound. Jerison, pasok kay Pierre. Super 2, number 8. Warranty for 2. Last 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Nico pass to Jun. Nico tumiretso. Nico napagtok. Pinalakay po Jeffrey, wala. Makakali sa Laguta, libre. Laguta! Time out. Para tamat blue team. Sorry po tamat. Paul, sino pa?
38?
Happy birthday.
Anes, Bonico, number 22.
38? Okay.
Time out.
Nakamisata na Jordi.
Blue team. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 51 seconds.
Go, Jillian!
Let's go. Competition.
Dame mi mochila, por favor. 39! Mi mochila atrás.
Oh, stop here, 38-39. 1 point lead by white team. Ano ba? Denison. There's a tip. Yes, sir. Substitution. Nico out. Number 9, number 30. Number 8, number have 22 out.
Ay, no.
2 points lead. With the Jerisan. Pagod. 14 na 10. 1 point. 2 points lead by Ronald. Tumira, wala. Napitawan na balot. Miguel, pinasa. Miguel, nakakababahan. Alan, wala. Nakita ka Jeffrey. Napitawan na balot. Jeffrey, pinasa. Nakakababahan. 2-3 points. Jim! Lalaking! Op! May tawag na rin. Foul on number 10, Ronald. Substitution. May sabang. Warning po penalty beating. Warning po penalty. Substitution. Ronald out. Ito na in. 5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. 2-5 lead by one team. Biggie, Boston Jordan. Laguta, pinaharap po. Laguta, pressing the ball. Laguta, diretso, pinasakit po. Ready, Ano? Blue ball. 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. 2 points lead by white team. Miguel, pinasa by Tunel. Jim, pamila sa 2 points. Ay sa target. 2 points. All 40. It's a party. Wills, pinasa kay Jackson. Jefferson, Ilan, Magud. All nakakuha na po, leto na yan. Anong sabi natin? White team? Not yet. First ball pa lang ng white team. Side ball. Ay, sorry. Paigit, mga kapatid. Anes. 4 minutes and 45 seconds time. Alan, dumiretso sa gitna. Si Alan. Lamang na 2 points ang blue team. White team, medyo na pa-pressure. Wills. Inalit na para sa 150. Up. Tinawagan ng foul. Foul number 12, Miguel. Number 12, how many fouls? Penalty. Penalty ng blue team. Penalty na po ng blue team. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. First attempt. Yes, sir. 130 blue team. 130 blue team. Second attempt. Nicky second attempt. Nagui. Rebound by June. Passing the ball. 1 point lead blue team. 1 point lead. Okay, Miguel. 2 points. Miguel. Nagui. Jeffrey, nakakita na pa ba sa Miguel? June, Libre, 2 points, June, Nagui, nakuha na Edunel, nakakita, Dimetro, nakakuha ng foul. Ay, Wilwari Jay, foul, number 8. Ang absolute. 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. Only 1 point lead. Edunel. Only 1 point lead. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Ang ating attempt. Yes, sir! 2-point lead, blue team. 2-point lead, blue team. Ginawa nga natin. Niki, pinabang bola. Pinasa ka Wills. Wills. Wills to basket. Wills. Lagutan. Blue ball. 2-point lead, blue team. Miguel, pinasa sa captain ball. Captain ball, Jude. Binaba ang bola, pricing the ball. Lamang ang 2 points of blue team. 43-41. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Nakita si Jeffrey. Jeffrey, inaarang. Jeffrey! 2 points. Jeffrey! Nakakuha ng 2. 4-point lead by blue team. Medyo napapansin na ang white team. Jackson, pinasakal sa gitna. Laguta di ba ito? Laguta, nakakuha ng foul. Ano, rep? Knockout. Only foul. Penalty na blue team. Remaining time, 3 minutes in the fourth quarter. Lamang ng 4 points ang blue team. First attempt. Laguta first attempt on the free throw line. Nogi. Another attempt. Westin. Laguta. Oh. Pete. 1 point. Only 2 points lead. Dilabas blue team. 42-45. 2 points lead by blue team. Magsaset ng play ang ating captain ball. June, bibig na ball pass sa Edunel. Nakakita ng takante. Edunel, wala. Nakakita ng play. Iwanitay, nakakita. Laguta. Sabi, Magdalena. Pwede lang natin last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. June, nakakita ng ball. June, up, pinasa kay Wills. Miguel, penalty na. Third personal foul on Miguel. Free throw. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Ang ating officials na 35, 32, and 10 substitution. Substitution. 54 in, Weimar, Roy out. Second attempt. 45-33. 3-point lead. Wills on the second attempt. Yes, sir. Only 2-point lead ka lang ang blue team. June. Pinasa ka rin. Pinasa ka rin. Ito na, passing the ball. Nakata si Miguel. Nakata. Nasubukan pa lang. Napakagandang asal. Yung ginawa ni Miguel. Miguel, ngayon na papasahan. Miguel! Layan ni Jackson. Layan ka nakakita. Tama, City. Adek, anong tawag? Bagay pa sa timeout ang blue team. Timeout blue team daw. Timeout blue team.
Su madre, un parque.
We have 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Ang ating score, all 45 is a time talong-talunan. All 45. The Jeffrey goes, David. Rebound by Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Ano? Blue ball, blue ball. Ano tayo, respect the referee, ha? Blue ball. Jeffrey. Pinasa kaya lang. Nicky. Nicky. Subdivision. Red subdivision. Come out. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Prepare lead. Airborne. Prepare lead by lighting. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Lead back to Prepare by lighting. Well on. Not yet. Follow 54. Raymond. Why in the penalty? Why team? Bulaman, Ronald, Nicky, ano na? Blue team. White ball. Hanes daw.
Pera,
White team. Wins. Pinasa ka Reynolds. One minute. Laguta, President. Oh, Raymond, nakatris. June, nag-report na, binabang bola. It's 47 seconds remaining time. In the time of round 2 plus 2. 30 seconds remaining time. June, napasok ka lahat. Wala, ito na.
Lakas.
Only 7 seconds remaining time.
Di ka sir. Pag napasok mo yung dalawa, haras. Tapos, 3 points. Wala, talo pa rin sila. Dapat kailangan nila. Kaya 1 point. Cover. Kunin ako dapat. Agad yan. Sige na. Sakit ako. Ulo. Sinungaling ka. Wala. Wala.
Winners!